This is Convoy M21B with SFT42R 6500 Kelvin. Let's quickly unbox this and see what we get. Hello everyone, welcome to EDC Glue and Gears. I hope you guys are doing really well. So before we start, I just wanted to give a shout out to Matt. He has been a great supporter since day one. He has been commenting on every video and showing his support. So thank you so much, Matt, for all the support and candid feedback. It has been really helpful. And not only he's a great supporter, he is also a flashlight enthusiast by himself. So I hope someday I can collab with Matt and bring you guys a great video. All right, so coming back to the video, so today we have M21B and I have equipped this with SFT42R, which is 6500 Kelvin. I have, this is not something which I can select, but this comes with a 10 amp buck driver. So let's quickly unbox this. So as you know, Convoy doesn't waste any money on packaging, which is great because that expense doesn't get translated back to the consumer. So that way I'm really thankful to Convoy. First, they make amazing flashlight. They have really good hosts. So I have got a huge list of Convoys finally back in. So I will be covering one by one. So stay tuned. So this is my second M21B. This is my first M21B and I equipped this with LHP 73B and I am still in love with this host and the emitter. So this I have equipped with SFT42R. Let me remove this film. Okay, now we can see the emitter. So this has the SFT42R. I hope you can see the really nice round die surface and a smooth reflector, because of which we can see the egg yolk or the LED yolk, right? So yeah, so this is the gray color. The finish is absolutely stunning for the price which comes, or for which price you can get this. So you get AR coated lens, then you have the SFT 42R and a smooth reflector. So let's quickly, and you get this lanyard for every flashlight if you want to use it, and I don't mind having it because this gives you the added benefit of carrying it. So you can keep it or you can remove and keep it for your later use. The machining is really good and the threads look greased and it's in very good shape. So let's remove the insulator. I have selected the Eve 50PL because this is my go-to trusted battery, which is a flat top. This supports high drain, so I always go for this no matter which 21700 host which I get. So let's see the other side. Well machined, I must say. So this is the 10 amp buck driver. This comes with 12 group, a really thick high current or high discharge standard spring, which is pretty stiff. Okay, let's put it back, and this is the battery housing. By the sound you can easily understand that the machining is so nice, the threads are so good. Okay, let's put it back. You have a really nice looking reverse switch. The best part is you can actually swap this black top switch with a clear switch like this. Though this MAO edition came with this semi-transparent switch, you can do a light, RGB or LEDs enabled switch, which you can also swap with a forward switch, which means that this requires to be pressed and then it will power on, and half pressed to cycle through the different modes or brightness. But a forward switch, when you half press, it will turn on. So let's put it back. So let me quickly put it in group 10 and I'll come back. Okay, so I have set the M21B in group 10, which has 1, 10, 35 and 100%, so 4 levels. So half press does nothing, full press it powers on, and already you can see a really nice hotspot and a good spill. So half press changes through the cycle or brightness. So as I have set this to 4 levels, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 100% and it is pretty bright, and I can easily imagine this is going to be very throwy. Alright, so let's go outside and see how this performs. So before we go, let's quickly see some known figures. So this is my first convoy, which is M21B IMO edition. I really like this because this is extremely potent host. So that's the reason I have invested on couple of M21Bs with multiple configuration. So let's bring TS28. This is Olight Seeker 4 Pro, Sofern SC33, and then we have TS 26S. So you can see the size, and these are all 21700 cell. So you can see what this is the size, right? All right, so let's get it back. Now let's quickly go outside and quickly see how this performs. Sorry, I didn't want you to see this, but yeah, let's go. All right, so today we have Convoy M21B with SFT42R and a smooth reflector. So let's see how it works. I have set this to group 10, which has level 1, 1%, 10%, 35% and 100%. So this is level 1 and I can already see a lot of things. So really nice clear hotspot and bit of a spill. I don't know if we can see the spill. Yeah, it is visible now. Okay, so in level 2 we can easily see the first tree, the second tree, third tree and the pole. So this is not even third level, this is level 2. This is level 3. Really good. And this is level 4. This is surprisingly bright, which is expected from SFT42R. And this is one of my favorite emitter. And we can easily reach the boundary and the tree. So let me take a quick walk. So there are a lot of bugs which is getting attracted because of the light. And as you know, SFT42R is a throwy emitter, so you get to see a really nice hotspot. So this is level 4, and I am pushing the flashlight in level 4. The head is getting slightly more than warm. It is still holding the brightness. And you can see very clearly. All right, so this is M21B with SFT42R. Let's head back inside. All right, so you saw the beam shot, and there's no doubt that this is a really good performer, especially with the smooth reflector and SFT42R. This thing can really throw. For this particular size, I'm impressed. And about the brightness, level 2 is more than enough, and I think level 3 is quite bright for daily use. And unless and until you need to see far, I don't think you will ever need to use the level 4, because it's that bright, and it can really generate a really nice tight hotspot along with a very smooth spill. So it gives you the best of both the world, where you can get the spot and a good spill for your peripheral vision. So I'm impressed with this M21B and its performance. So the only thing is that this doesn't have a onboard charging port, so you need to have an external charger. So most of the Convoy flashlights doesn't come with onboard charging. There are a few handful of models which you get where you have the onboard charging, so keep that in mind. But I don't have any problem, because I already use an external charger, which is this, for charging all my high performance batteries, which is E50PL, E30PL. Then there are a few vape cells, so I don't mind. And that's something which you have to keep in mind. Apart from that, I don't think there is anything which I can complain about. So one thing which I wanted to highlight is that a few of the models M21B came lubricated. Like this one was lubed very well, but few came very dry. So just keep that in mind. And if you see it's dry, just go ahead and apply uh, lubricant so that you don't damage the O-ring and the thread. So this is one of the model, which is M21K, which I wanted to give it a try. So I took out the battery to charge it up, but when I opened it, it broke. So if you want to prevent this from happening, I would highly recommend just be careful when you're opening, and just make sure that none of the threads are bone dry, so that you can prevent from breaking the O-ring and damaging the thread. So apart from that, everything is working really well. The performance is top notch. It is able to hold the level 4 of brightness really well. So I'm very happy, and I'm probably going to keep this near me if I really need to go out for some adventure, because this works really well. All right, so I'm really happy with this M21B with SFT42R. So if you have any comment or anything which you want to share, please go ahead and leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to read and reply to you. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you have anything to share, please go ahead and do that. If you want to share this video with your friends and family, please go ahead and do that. Then we can grow together. All right, so thank you so much for watching. You have a great day, and see you in the next one.